Hi, welcome to TCB Education, and today we're learning Vietnamese again. So are you ready? Last time we learned a lot about how to say hello, how to say hi, say thank you or sorry. And today we're gonna have a new topic. I'll be teaching you guys how to say things to your Vietnamese girlfriend if you have one. What are the things that Vietnamese girlfriends always want their boyfriends to say? So maybe the first phrase we can imagine is gonna be how to say sorry when you've done something wrong. So they would expect you to be truthful and be honest about your mistakes and admit your mistakes. So you can usually say anh xin lỗi. Anh means you, the boyfriend, in the case that you have a girlfriend. Yeah, so you say anh xin lỗi, mean I am sorry. Okay, and that is how you say sorry when you've done mistakes. Or you've done something really bad and you don't want them to get mad. What about when your girlfriend gets sad? What do you say? In Viet, I did my own research and I found that many Vietnamese girls like to be asked if they want any food. So you can ask, are you hungry? I'll cook for you. You say, em có đói không? Để anh nấu cho em. Yeah. Or you say, are you hungry? I'll buy food for you. Em có đói không? Anh mua gì cho em ăn nhé. Em có đói không? Anh mua gì cho em ăn nhé. Yeah, so those are the common phrases to say to girlfriends in Vietnamese. Thank you.